Hi, it's Heather, the middle aged maven, and I am one day post op from knee surgery, and I'm a little woozy. And I've just been lying here, Netflixing and contemplating um, how I got here and what happened. I tore my meniscus in my right knee and had to have that repaired. So I'm going to be down for a little while. I'm not in too much pain, but I've just been thinking about how hard should I fight to stay healthy and fit? Or is it time to reconsider doing things differently, a little lower key? And I think that decision is for each one to decide on their own. But I'm ready to get back into the swing of things. So I'm really hoping that everything, my physical therapy and everything goes well. Today is January the 6th, 2018, and it's a good way to start 2018. I've been lying low because of the tear and then family in town and food and food and food and not being able to work out. So I've decided I'm recommitting myself that I'm going to take physical therapy very seriously and that I am going to get back up to as close to 100% as I possibly can. So whatever your goals are, I hope that you you hit them all. I wish you love and peace and prosperity in this new year. And put a comment down below if you'd like, and I promise I will respond. Anyway, peace to you and Happy New Year. Bye.